Hello, my name is Zhomart. I am from Kazakhstan. Now I am in Georgia, in Tbilisi city, in Hairline International clinic. It's a modern medical clinic where I studied for the hair transplantation. I passed through theoretical and practical course, and which helped me work with follicle unit extraction, with long hair implantation, and also with spacious implantation by implanters. And I want to say big thanks to my teachers, Batona Irakli and doctors Leila, Mako, and Katie for high educational course. And this clinic is very modern, and I want to recommend to everyone who want to start work with this technology. Thank you.